In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock layers in Affinity Designer. First, of course, open up your project. Then in the Layers panel, select the layer that you want to lock and click on it. Then next, just beside the gear icon, click on the padlock tool or the lock or unlock tool, and the specific or selected layer will instantly be locked. Once locked, the objects on that layer cannot be moved, edited, or deleted until you unlock it. And to unlock, simply click the padlock icon once again. And from there, you will have an access to that specific layer again, and that you can move it, edit it, or delete it as you want. This is perfect for background elements, guides, or any content you don't want to accidentally change. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!